Let's practice triangle breathing together. First, find a comfortable seat and let your shoulders relax. Take a gentle breath in to clear the air and let it go. Now, let's begin. Inhale slowly through your nose for 1, 2, 3. Hold your breath at the top for 1, 2, 3. Exhale gently through your mouth for 1, 2, 3. Again, inhale 1, 2, 3. Hold 1, 2, 3. Exhale 1, 2, 3. Continue this rhythm, tracing the sides of a triangle in your mind with each breath. Let's do 2 more rounds together. Inhale 1, 2, 3. Hold 1, 2, 3. Exhale 1, 2, 3. One last time. Inhale 1, 2, 3. Hold 1, 2, 3. Exhale 1, 2, 3. Beautiful. Now return to your natural breathing, carrying that calm and balance with you.